COVID-19 has changed the world forever. Nearly 2 years into the pandemic, it is clear that the use of cleaners and disinfectants will continue to increase. However, some cleaning products can present several health and environmental concerns, as they may contain chemicals associated with eye, skin, or respiratory irritation, or other human health issues. The concentrated forms of some commercial cleaning products are classified as hazardous, creating potential handling, storage, and disposal issues for users. Sodium hypochlorite, bleach. Quaternary ammonium compounds, QAATs. Phenols. Bleach is a known asthmagen, and mixing it with ammonia causes the release of chlorine gases, which can quickly cause nose, eye, and throat irritation, and even death. Additionally, it is corrosive and should never be used on surfaces like stainless steel, aluminum, granite, copper, or brass, as it corrodes many metals. Bleach is not a cleaner. It is a disinfectant, and it can be neutralized by dirt or other organic materials. Always know which chemicals may and may not be used with bleach. QAATs are known asthma inducers, as they can worsen and aggravate pre-existing asthma and can trigger new cases of asthma. In 3 separate studies, disinfectants containing QAATs were used to clean the cages of lab mice, and those mice had decreased fertility as well as increased rates of birth defects of their offspring. In those same studies, the residue from the QAATs remained on the cages for months after its use was discontinued. Phenols are asthmagens, according to the Collaborative for Health and the Environment's Toxicant Disease Database. Using green cleaning products can help to reduce the human health and environmental concerns that come along with cleaning. EPA has also included a list of safer active disinfectants identified by EPA's Safer Choice program, which includes hydrogen peroxide, isopropyl or ethanol alcohol, citric acid, and lactic acid, among others. COVID has changed the world, so it is more important than ever to ensure that we use products that are safe and environmentally friendly, so as to not compound the long-term negative effects of the virus.